If you've been looking for a low risk investment, I have good news for you, because the FGN Savings Bond for May 2025 is now open, and it's going to remain open from now till the 9th of May 2025. So it usually opens for a period of 5 days. So for this year, for this month, we have it open from the 5th of May to 9th of May. So for those who don't know what this is, the FGN Savings Bond is an investment instrument that is issued by the federal government. What this means in simple terms is that you are lending money to the federal government, and in return the federal government will pay you interest every quarter, that is every 3 months. And by the time this investment asset matures, or by the end of this lending period, you will get back your capital. So your capital is not at risk, at least compared to stocks. And there are two options available for anyone willing to invest, depending on how long you want to invest for. So there is the 2-year bond option, which matures in May 2027 and has an interest rate of 16.173% every year. Then there is the 3-year option, which matures in May 2028 and has an interest rate of 17.173% every year. This is higher than the 2-year option, of course, because you are investing for a longer term. So let's say, for example, you are planning to invest 1 million naira. It means that if you go for the 2-year option, every year you are going to get 161,730 naira as your interest. Whereas if you go for the 3-year option, every year you are going to get 171,730 naira per year. But bear in mind that this interest is paid on a quarterly basis. So what this means is that your total interest amount is going to be divided into 4 parts and paid every quarter. So for this May issue, it means that your interest will come in every August 14th, November 14th, February 14th, and May 14th every year until the bond matures. So you don't have to wait for 1 year before you receive the full annual interest. You receive this interest on a quarterly basis. And when it comes to risk, this is a low risk investment because it is fully backed by the federal government. So your capital is not at risk. Now, the big question, or the next thing you'll be asking, is how do you invest? So you can invest through your brokers like FBN Quest, Stanbic IBTC, Afri Invest, Chapel Hill, amongst others. So most of these brokers, they will require you to fill the actual FBN Savings Bond form and then make a payment to a designated account number. However, some other brokers who have mobile apps also have features in their apps that help you easily invest in these apps without having to fill the form. I'll leave the links to some of these brokers on my bio. So click the link on my bio to get direct access to the FBN Savings Bonds page on these brokers' websites. But for illustration purposes, I'm going to show you in this video using InvestNow by Chapel Hill to show you how you can just get started with the FBN Savings Bond. So the first thing you need to do, if you don't already have an account, you mustn't use this platform. This is just for illustration purposes. The first thing you need to do is to set up your account, make sure you've done your KYC and filled in all the necessary details. Then you need to fund your account. So after doing that, you get to your trading platform. Using this as an illustration, you click on invest. Then I select the bond option. So here, when I've selected the bond option, I'm seeing the FGN Savings Bond here. So I click on it, and then it takes me to this page. So I click on invest. Then I put in how much I want to invest. So let's just say I want to invest 5,000 naira. So the minimum amount is 5,000 naira and the maximum is 50 million naira. So I'll just do 5,000 naira as an illustration. Then here I have to select the tenor. Am I investing for 2 years or 3 years? So I take the 2 years option. Then I choose resident. Then accept the terms and conditions. Proceed. So because I already have some money in my wallet, I don't need to start making any payments. And that is it. You've invested in the FGN Savings Bond. So you can use any broker of your choice. So if your broker has a mobile app, fine and good, that makes things very easy. But if not, you can go through the website of the broker, fill in the FGN Savings Bond form, where you have to put in details like your personal details, how much you're willing to invest and how long you want to invest for, and then pay in the money into the designated account provided by the broker. And this FGN bond is usually open every month, usually the first week of the month. For this May, it is only open from the 5th of May to the 9th of May. So if you are interested, you need to act fast. I'll try as much as possible to always remind you every month, but always keep an eye for that. So even if you don't want to invest this month and you intend to invest in the future, there's still an opportunity for you to do that.
So if you've been in my DM saying, hi Olivia, I want to invest in a low risk asset, or I don't know how to start, or I only have 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira to start with, this is your opportunity to get started. Don't forget to like and share this video, forward this video to everyone you know, because lots of people have been willing to get started with investments or looking for low risk investments. This is an opportunity for them to get started. So make sure you forward this video, like and share. Don't forget to follow for more money updates. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.